You can completely change your life in only 90 days. And in this video, I'm going to break down exactly how you can do that and how I actually did that myself, right? Because I used to work a 9-to-5 job back in the UK. I used to work several jobs. I used to work in Argos. I used to work in World Duty Free. I used to work at Sky, right? So I worked in all of these jobs and I know how difficult it is. I know how difficult it is working a 9-to-5 job. I know how hard it is to wake up in the morning. I know how hard it is to listen to your boss, someone that doesn't respect you, in a company that can replace you in an instant, right? I've been there, I've done it, I know how hard it is. And literally, I changed my life around, right? And it was just one moment where I decided to take the biggest risk of my life, quit my 9-to-5 job, pack my bags and move to Dubai. That's what I did. I had no money when I arrived here. And now literally just under 2 years later, I now run a 6-figure online coaching business that's completely changed my life, allowed me to live here in Dubai and also make well over 6 figures a year, right? And I wanted to talk about in this video that you only need 90 days to completely change your life, because a lot of people think they need to spend years and years and years at improving themselves, or years and years and years in a business that can actually be profitable, right? And yeah, that might be true to some instances. It might be true to certain business models. But obviously with the business model I'm going to share today, 90 days is all it takes for you to completely change your life, for you to make 10K a month, and for you to actually live comfortable and also have freedom, right? Because making money is great, you know, having a lot of money is great, but if you don't have freedom, then what's the point, right? And in this video, I'm going to talk about exactly how 90 days, if you just lock in for 90 days, which is essentially 3 months, you can change your life, okay? Now, one thing you guys need to understand, right, is if you want to change your life in 90 days, if you want to have freedom, the best way to actually do it is by starting an online business, okay? Now, an online business gives you freedom. It gives you global freedom, so you can live where you want. And not only that, it makes you the most amount of money in the least amount of time, right? And if you compare it to, for example, starting a physical business, right? A physical business requires you to generally have money up front. A physical business requires you to be tied down to one geographical location. Sometimes you have to buy assets. You have to pay your staff, right? Depending on your setup, a physical business will generally cost you a lot more when you're starting. So you're better off starting an online business. Now, there are so many different models, right, in the online space. There's drop shipping, affiliate marketing, trading, TikTok, you know, YouTube full-time. There are so many different business models, right? But I've done all of them, right? I've literally done every single one of them. And I can tell you categorically, none of those business models are good. None of them give you freedom. In fact, a lot of them actually tie you down with multiple bosses. So the best business model that you guys should do is by starting a one-skill consulting business model, which again, completely changed my life and also changed a lot of my clients' lives as well. Now, if you guys are interested, by the way, and you do want to start your own online business, well, I will work with you on a one-to-one basis and scale you to 10K a month. Click the link in the description, book in a call with me, and what we'll do is jump on a call and I'll show you exactly how I can actually help you, okay? Now, guys, the reason why this is the best business model in the world, right? Because anyone can do it. It's extremely, extremely easy. Literally anyone can do it. To the point where I even worked with a 16-year-old, right? And this 16-year-old was able to get his first client for £2,000 within literally a few weeks. So it just shows literally anyone can do it. It doesn't matter your age, doesn't really matter where you're from, to be honest. Anyone can literally do it. And all it is literally selling a skill that you own, right? And selling it to high ticket clients for $2,000, $3,000, $4,000 or $5,000. And the reason why you can sell it for $2,000, $3,000, $4,000 or $5,000, right, is because you're going to work with these people on a one-to-one basis. And this is how you can provide the value directly to the people you're helping. And you can imagine, right, let's say you charge $5,000 as an example. You only need 2 clients a month to make 10K a month. Guys, it's extremely, extremely easy. Literally anyone can do this. All you have to do is try, right? And that's why I'm saying in this video, all it takes is 90 days. 90 days will completely change your life. You just have to lock in for those 90 days. You have to find the right mentor, right? Because this is very important. If you want to achieve things in 90 days, if you want to be successful in a really, really quick time frame, well, you can't do it by yourself, right? Because if you do it by yourself, what's going to happen is you're going to make a lot of mistakes. You've never done it before. You're going to fail, and it's going to take you years and years. And this is why generally business takes years and years and years, because people try to do it by themselves. Now, if you hire a mentor, well, you're literally fast tracking your process, right? Because if you hire a mentor, he's going to tell you do this because this is going to get you results much quicker. Now, the mentor is going to help you avoid the mistakes that he himself made. And this is why it's fast tracking you to make more money. And people don't understand this, right? People think mentorship is a scam, or people think that, you know, hiring help is a scam. Guys, a lot of you guys pay for university. It's the same exact thing. The only difference is university is going to leave you in debt, whereas hiring a mentor is going to start making you money straight away. And you guys don't understand one thing, right? If you think you can do it by yourself, by all means try. And most people can. But you have to understand one thing. If you want to do it by yourself, it's going to take time. And a lot of you guys don't have the patience to try and do it by yourself, right? Because you want to see results within 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 months, and nothing's going to change because you're going to make mistakes along the way. Whereas if you hire a mentor, he's going to show you, okay, do this, do this, do this. He's going to give you the exact steps that you need to do, and you will start making money straight away. And this is why a lot of my clients have started making money straight away, because I've shown them the mistakes that I made. I've shown them things that they shouldn't do and focus on things they should do, and that's why they're able to make money straight away. Now, you guys should hire a mentor that is living the life that you want. This is one other mistake people make, right? People make the mistake of just hiring the most, richest mentor, or the one that shows the flashiest lifestyle, or the one that, maybe has Lamborghinis and all that kind of stuff. Guys, that's fine. You can probably hire people like that, right? But you need to find someone that is living the life that you want to live, right? And the reason why most people sign up with me, for example, is because I talk about freedom. I talk about living life on your own terms. There are so many people with Lamborghinis that can't live life on their own terms. Or there are so many people that might even be making more money than me, but again, they can't live life on their own terms. They live it on someone else's terms. There might be influencers, for example, who have sponsorships where if they say one wrong thing, they will lose the sponsorship. They can't speak freely. They can't live their life freely. They have to do what another company tells them to do. That's not how I wanted to live my life. I wanted to live my life where I can do whatever it is that I want. I can wake up whatever time I want. I can do whatever it is that I want. And that's why I do the business model that I do, right? So if you guys want to be successful, you just need to find the right mentor, someone that's living the life that you want to live, and then hire them, and they'll literally help you make money, right? It's as simple as that. And you can't expect to make that much money quickly trying to do everything by yourself, right? This is one mistake I made, which I regret so much, because if I had hired a mentor, all those years ago, I probably would have quickened the process, right? Because around that time I was working hard, maybe 2, 3 years by myself, trying to grind, trying to make money without realizing what I'm doing, with making mistakes along the way, right? If I just hired a mentor, I would have got there so much quicker. And that's one thing I regret. I wish I'd hired a mentor sooner so I could have quickened the process, right? And this is why I'm making this video, because 90 days is all it takes. Guys, when I hired my mentor, within the same month, right, I made 10 grand. Literally, within the same month of hiring the mentor, I made 10 grand. And this is what I'm trying to explain to you guys. If you hire help, if you hire someone that knows more than you, if you hire someone that is living the life that you want to live, well, you're going to start making money so much quicker. And okay, I made 10 grand in my first month. Maybe you might not make 10 grand in your first month. Maybe you might make 5 grand. Maybe you might make 6 grand, right? But the point is, that's more than you invested in anyway. So you've actually made money straight away. Guys, the ability to make money online is one of the most valuable skills, right? And if you can learn this from the right mentor, you can completely change your life in only 90 days. And this is why I love this business model so much, because 90 days, you can completely change your life. You can live the best life you want. You can have freedom. You can live where you want, right? I live in Dubai because I love Dubai. Honestly, it's one of the best places to live. But you can maybe live in Bali. Maybe you can live in the US. Maybe you can live in Qatar. Maybe you can live in Bahrain, wherever it is that you want to live. You have the ability to do so because you make money online. And this is the freedom I was after. And thank God, my life has completely changed just because I took action. Now, if you guys want to change your life, if you guys want to work with a mentor that can actually help you live the life that you want to live, where you have freedom, make money online, make 10K a month, click the link in the description below, book in a call with me. What we'll do is jump on a call and I'll show you exactly how I can actually help you. Or alternatively, guys, if you want to know this business model in more detail, click the video that you see on your screen and I'll see you guys there.